what we're going to be doing is pretty much showing you guys how to make an intro on PlayStation 4's SHAREfactory. So pretty much what I did for my intro is I took a screenshot, and I have tons of screenshots of games, by the way, but if you don't, you could just use one of the default ones like this one that I just loaded up just now. And pretty much whatever screenshot you want to use, you just want to go over here to split clip. You're going to want to spam and then until you reach split, and you're going to want to do this until you have 4 pieces. There we go, so now we have 4 pieces. And yeah, so now what we're going to want to do is we're going to go to trim clip, but what we're going to want to do is make this big. Whoops, alright. So make them all big, that way you could add transitions, because for some reason if you have it small, you're not able to add transitions, and then we're going to put them back small after this, I'll just show you what to do, alright, follow with me. So, now once you're back here, you're going to want to add a screenshot of a black screen. Go to settings, go to black, nope, not white, black, and then you're going to want to go to transition, you're going to want to go to fade, from color. I pressed the wrong one. There we go. Oh, whoops. Nope. Split clip. Nope. Oh, wait, no, trim clip. And there we go. So now what you're going to want to do is add your transitions. So what you're going to want to do is go to HSB fade, burn fade, HSB fade, and then burn fade again. But you won't be able to do it because there's no video here, but if you were going to do a video, you'd press burn fade. And yeah. Anyways, so next thing you want to do is you're going to want to go to here, and you're going to want to pretty much press which one of these you want. So say for example anagraph, and then blacklight or something. He looks pretty good. Anagraph. Where did anagraph go? Anagraph. Oh yeah, anagraph. Alright, so now one more time, just gonna wanna repeat the process, and now put blacklight. So yeah, you're gonna wanna choose 2 of them, and then what you're gonna wanna do is shorten those clips all the way down, pressing trim clip, and then pressing the joystick that way. So pretty much what you wanna do now is play it back and see if you like it. So yeah, this intro is looking pretty good here, and yeah, that's pretty much what I did for my intro. In fact, I'm gonna make this my new intro to use for next video, because this actually looks better than my intro, to be honest, because it looks so clean. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And yeah, so you're gonna want to go to save video, and there you go. So now the project is saved. If you want to add music to this, you're going to want to wait, hold up, where did we put the intro? Let's just find it real fast. Alright, here we go. So when you want to put music in your intro, just click add music and pick one of these tracks. So for example, you could do that. That actually looks really good. And yeah, so split. There we go, delete me. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, and now you have your intro. So let's play it back. How do I do this? How do you do like the thing where you like put in full screen? You know, but yeah, that's pretty much it, and it's a great intro. So I'm actually going to be using that instead of the new intro video. So yeah, ignore that. I'm just going to keep it up so you guys have another example. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. And yeah, guys, have a good day, pretty much. And